Welcome to the last episode of the Sedrica Series. Today we are going to walk you through the decision-making subsystem. Decision-making is one of the most important subsystems as it lies at the heart of an autonomous vehicle. It is responsible for making all the decisions in high-level scenarios such as at intersections and traffic lights, as well as providing a local goal for path maneuvers. For path maneuvering, a local goal is given to the motion planning subsystem, which then finds the path between the vehicle's current location and the local goal. This local goal is calculated by utilizing an offset from the lane equations obtained from the computer vision subsystem and then marking the calculated point such that it lies in the middle of the lane. Apart from that, we have made an end-to-end finite state machine to handle situations like encountering an intersection, performing a lane-changing action, or coming to stop before an obstacle. This has been implemented by formulating various action servers and clients for each specific situation, which is triggered as and when required. This includes modifying the velocity profile to ensure it reduces to zero smoothly, changing the local goal and middle lane functionalities in case of an intersection, among many others. In the future, we plan to make our finite state machine more robust for the Indian road conditions by increasing the efficiency of the current modules and implementing new ones specific to situations found in real driving scenarios. We are also planning to look into automation techniques to modernize the process that we are currently using and to generalize it further. That was all about how the decision-making subsystem contributes to autonomous vehicles. Over the course of this series, we have seen how raw data collected from sensors is interpreted by computer vision and localization techniques, processed by machine planning and decision-making algorithms, and finally realized by control pipelines. All these subsystems together power the self-driving car and pioneer innovation. With that, we will now conclude the Sedrica series. Thanks for watching.